What's up? Here we are, spending 4 days in Glacier National Park. We have this little beaver guy. Oh, here he comes. He's not looking friendly anymore.
I don't know what he's doing.
Stay for the adventure, guys. So quiet. There's like nothing. And it's so spooky. You can't see anything. Like, there's supposed to be mountains right here. But it's so quiet. Just listen to this. What? Listen to that. There were loons earlier. I wish I could hear the loons, but you can't hear them now. But there are loons, and this is one of the only places in Montana that you can find them. And they're in this area. But it's so dang quiet. And camp is that way.
Get up. Talking about.
Okay. I'm gonna stand over here.
Mix them up.
I'm just gonna do it all in here. Cooking breakfast.
Yep.
Yep. It's like 7:45 probably.
Yeah, I don't know.
Close to 8 o'clock.
It's huckleberry time.
Guess we're gonna hike to Huckleberries.
That's correct.
Because that's what we can do. Those loons have been going all night. Not really all night, but like at around like 5:30 they woke us up.
What's she thinking?
She's probably like, not you again, you dang hikers.
It's not nothing. Doesn't seem to care much.
No. I've made some deer make some weird sounds.
I want to see if I can get it on. The moment you leave the trail, she's like, nope.
No thank you. A cocola? A cuca? Cucola?
Coco la la.
That's the trail that we're on. In hopes that there are huckleberries. But we don't know. We're seeing the first bit of sun. so far.
Yeah, that's nice.
How smoky does it look?
Not very, actually.
That's good.
Yes.
Yes, because it was insane last night how smoky it was.
Yeah, you couldn't see anything.
Yeah. Hopefully it's better today. So we opted to not go on the trail to the Otukumi Kuku, whatever lake it is. We opted not to do that because we didn't think there was going to be huckleberries, and we know for sure there's huckleberries at the other lake. But we're not going to hike all the way to the lake because there's other lakes and stuff we want to get to later today. But we are going to hopefully find huckleberries. Squirrel. It's hilarious. So the view from the lake, you couldn't see it yesterday at all because of all the smoke. But the smoke is gone now. Just you wait. That's the view you're supposed to have seen. Ooh. Insane.
To me, Avalanche is a priority.
Yeah,
And huckleberries, but they'll be on the other side too.
look at that.
Holy
Like, just imagine what this was last night. You could not see any of this mountain. Like, just barely
Even
the
up here
peaks.
would have been
Oh no, he wouldn't seen anything. It was kind of cool.
a little bit.
Still no signs of the huckleberries.
I know, I don't feel like there's going to be much.
That's unfortunate.
I mean, there's like literally nothing.
I haven't seen a single huckleberry bush. But last year they were like the size of blueberries.
Yeah, they're all on the ground here, just not even hardly growing. You know?
That's too bad. At least there's some berries. Some of the thimbleberries, the raspberry type things.
Many of those. Last year we ate as many of those almost as we did huckleberries.
Yeah, you can see they're all like dry. It's just a bad year for everything.
The winter was so bad.
Bad winter too, yeah. We're turning around. No berries. We didn't find berries.
At least it's not on fire.
There's no smoke
I mean,
like there was yesterday. Like, it doesn't actively smell like campfire. Because yesterday, like, the whole everything smelled like it was on fire. But we don't have that today.
you know?
Nope. Campsite for tonight.
What?
Said this is the campsite for tonight. And the lake is just over there. And then we're gonna drive around the lake and hike.
And then when we get back exhausted, tent's already set up.
Yeah. I guess I'll help set up the tent. Like McDonald here, our campsite is just a little bit up there on the other side of the road. Little boathouse. The lake is so warm. No smoke. So up there is Logan's Pass area. And so we're going to drive along this side of the lake and we're gonna go hike Avalanche Lake. So that's where we're going to be. That's where we're going. That's where we're going.
Alright, let's do it.
All this for Trail of the Cedars. Just kidding. That's pretty cool. Jesus! Yeah, it's so easy. I love how you can't see the amount of people on the other side of the lake. Like, it's so awesome. Like, there's so many people over there, but they don't hike the like quarter mile to get to the other side of the lake. It's stupid. It's ridiculous.
I'm not very good at this. Toss to each other. You can toss to yourself, right? Yeah, that was a good start.
That was good. I'm well excited.
We're doing all right, man.
The
We're gonna
stall?
get them and start a new video. Roll call, you gotta,
Okay.
I guess you have to pass someone else, not yourself.
Can't pass me.
I've
And
never played
if
in
we
my
all
life.
four get a hit,
only played a
that's a
couple times.
volley, we're good.
Oh, should I just toss it to
Yeah,
somebody?
just toss it to
Okay.
Oh!
Sporty foul.
No, it's okay. No, it's all part of the fun.
You kicked it so far.
I've actually been to Dyersville.
Fun, that was a perfect pass. Is that so nice?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
And it's fine, man.
That's
Here,
good.
I'll pass it to you. You guys
Okay.
can start this way.
Oh,
No!
Hey, you guys have a great rest of your day, okay?
That was
What
fun.
a good
Thanks for
play.
playing.
Yeah.
What a great place to be.
Oh, actually.
No, seriously. You can let us rock.
Rock, yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can get a good skip.
Recording?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh no, I jumped too much.
It's the winner right here.
That was so fun. That was my best one. There we go. Dude.
That was really good. What?
I think I'll stop right there.
This is like a legit trail. It said end of trail, but there's more trail. Look at all those extra waterfalls. You couldn't see that from over there. Wow. Okay. Look at this. So there's a lake somewhere over there, filled with millions of people.
Raspberries.
And we got the gold mine. Berry bushes. Okay, we just parked near Logan's Pass, getting ready to do a hike up this. Crazy, but just like look at this. We gotta lock in and hiking, yeah. It's a little waterfall. A few mountains. We're going up there. Apparently there's bighorn sheep. Yeah, it's a little steep. You can hear all the breathing I can do. Whew. I'm not gonna lie and say that this is easy. No, sir. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know, but there's bighorn sheep down there. Might have to get a photo. If I get a cool photo, insert it now. Going up there. Looking for ourselves to go. Oh, we've done about a mile. Oh yeah, you can see where the cars are. Way down there.
We're definitely getting up faster than we're getting out.
We're getting ready to go through this little gully drainage canyon type thing, and then we're gonna be up on top. Don't do it, dude.
Hey, no,
Hey,
no, don't eat our food.
scare them off. Okay, well, we have to go up that way.
Hey, little buddy.
Look at that. And look at that. Look at them way up there.
Garden wall, there we are.
So this is technically the garden wall? What? Or is that right there, that little wall, like looks like a wall?
Or do we go down this and take the long way back? That might actually be really cool too, you know?
Like I'd rather do a long, safe hike than a short.
Yeah. Hey!
He was just trying to chew on the camera. Well, you just having them now. You can't, if he's not going to eat it.
Hey! No!
It's hilarious. Okay, well, I have to make a decision of what we're doing.
Long, safe way back, short, crazy way back, or try for the original plan.
This guy seems hungry. Hey.
Oh man, that's a good one.
The way he just held it in his mouth like that.
It's like, what have I got here?
Hey, little dude. You've just been whining over there because we've stopped giving out snacks. We're done. You've missed your chance. We have made the executive decision not to go up here because that's like a lot of really scary route finding. We're not going back where we came. We're not going up there. We're going along this trail. right side of this. Okay. Let's get some hiking. Best view in the park.
I honestly think it is.
They said it's like a couple miles to the trailhead, 4 miles, and then we gotta hike to our car, but like beats doing this nonsense.
No, that's not nonsense.
It's sketch. I'm gonna give you a quick tour. So we have mountains, 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 snow, more mountains, more paths, more awesome, more views. Let me be... Wow, can't believe this is where we were hiking. Hiking the drivers today. I don't like it with the cars in here. It's kind of loud and scary. There were a few cars that got real close.
I know, last couple were like, dude, really?
Like, it was scary. I thought I was gonna hit their mirror with my...
Yeah, it was a little what was this?
We made it back. We just were up on top of that peak. So we went up here and along and then down. And we saw bighorn sheep up there. And then guess what? Those same bighorn sheep, we saw it down here. He's over in this area a little ways. Pretty sweet. A total of like 10 miles. We did not do the route we planned, but it was sick.
Where's your honey?
It's in there. It's not in here.
Where would it be?
I don't know. We'll see with the rest of the stuff probably. Time to go. Hiking the Iceberg Lake. Heck yeah. I think it's up here somewhere. I don't know actually. This is great.